Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to export your Figma designs to JPG, PNG, SVG, or PDF. This is an essential skill whether you're sharing mockups with clients, preparing assets for developers, or simply saving your work in different formats for various uses. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your Figma application. Once you're in, navigate to the file or project that you want to export. Make sure you have the right design open since you'll be working with this specific file throughout the export process. This could be anything from a logo you've designed to a complete website mockup. Now shift your attention to the right side of your screen. Here you'll notice an option labeled Export. Right beside it, you'll see a small plus icon. Click on this plus icon to begin setting up your export preferences. This action opens up the Export Settings panel where you can customize exactly how you want your file to be saved. After clicking the plus icon, two important drop-down menus will appear. The first drop-down controls the resolution of your export. Click on it and choose the resolution that best suits your needs. Higher resolutions will give you sharper images but larger file sizes, while lower resolutions are perfect for quick previews or web use. The second drop-down is where you select your file type. Click on it and you'll see options including PNG, JPG, SVG, and PDF. Choose the format that matches your requirements. PNG is great for images with transparency, JPEG works well for photographs and smaller file sizes, SVG is perfect for scalable vector graphics, and PDF is ideal for documents or multi-page exports. Next, notice the three dots beside these drop-downs. Clicking on them reveals additional settings where you can fine-tune your export. Here you can adjust the color profile to ensure your colors look consistent across different platforms and devices. You can also modify the image resampling settings, which affects how Figma processes the image quality during export. Additionally, there's a checkbox labeled Ignore Overlapping Layers. If you check this box, Figma will treat overlapping elements as separate objects rather than merging them, which can be useful depending on your design structure. Once you've configured all your settings to your preference, simply click the Export button. Your file will be saved to your chosen location in the format you selected. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Figma design in your preferred format. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.